Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. We're now getting to the time of year where the tomatoes have only maybe got about 2-3 weeks left to ripen. So if you've got some that are still not quite red, don't worry, because you can pick these and ripen them at home. So that, for example, that's mainly red, so obviously that'll ripen once you pick it, which I'm going to be picking a few today. So when you pick them, make sure you store them all together somewhere at room temperature. Definitely don't put them in the fridge. Tomatoes naturally give off ethylene, which is a gas that'll help each other to ripen. It's the same gas as bananas let off. So if you want faster results or you want to increase the gas emissions, you can put a banana in with them as well. Because tomatoes that are still really green and quite hard, I would leave them on the plant to see how they go, because they're going to be more difficult to ripen. So you want to pack them when they're at least starting to go yellow. And like I say, keep them all together, and within a week or two, you will have red tomatoes. So there's absolutely no need to, to throw them away. I think you've ruined a load, or you can't pick a load. Also, make sure if you've got a polytunnel or a greenhouse that all the vents and windows are closed. This is just to take it full advantage of the daytime heat, because night times the temperatures are starting to drop, so it's all going to help with the tomato ripening process. We've also got this cucumber plant here that's now finished, so I'll get that out as well. These clips, I bought a load of these off Amazon. They're only a few quid. Really handy for supporting plants. You get them in 2 sizes, so I would have a look at them. So even so, that looks like a real brutal pruning. We do want that last bit of growth to be gone to the fruit and not to be forming new leaves. So if you've not already done it, I would advise that you do the same. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.